Experience over 4,200 square feet of absolute rustic elegance at 2028 Smoky Cove Rd Sevierville. With 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths, no expense was spared in the design and construction of this gorgeous luxury cabin, thanks to the builder's attention to quality, detail, and convenience. Almost all the interior walls are constructed with 6-inch studs for greater strength, higher insulation value, and exceptional privacy. An open floor plan throughout with an expansive cathedral ceiling in the living room is almost overwhelming. And the upstairs balcony views through the walls of glass is breathtaking. The dining table features a real stump trunk center support, and the kitchen with solid surface quartz-side countertops offers high-end appliances, combining rustic surroundings with modern convenience. Outside, take in a tremendous vista on one of 2 extensive decks, and the family-sized hot tub will provide hours of relaxation. You'll enjoy the ultimate in comfort, privacy, and restful sleep. 3 bedrooms offer their own smart TV, and the 4th bedroom is complete with bunk beds, perfect for the kids. All 4 bedrooms are complete with their own ensuite bath, featuring custom shower fixtures. Now, enter a world of entertainment in the lower level. This game room features tournament-grade ping pong, a full-size pool table, and foosball, along with multiple video arcade games. And everyone will enjoy the large screen and real theater-style seating in the media room. 2028 Smoky Cove Rd in the coveted Smoky Cove community is truly a Shangri-La that will serve up to 16 easily. With amenities like multiple smart TVs, a family-size hot tub, open floor plan construction, unforgettable mountain views, and so much more, the potential for substantial rental returns is exceptional. This is a must-see cabin for that selective owner who demands excellence. We invite you to schedule your private tour today. Call Craig Stephenson with Pristine Realty Direct at 865-898-5877.